What you will need: powder bleach. You want a bleach-based product so that it can actually lift the color into your hair as light as possible. Since that's a powder bleach, I'm going to be using a developer. They are sold separately, so if you're using this brand in particular, make sure to buy this as well. They're both around $3.99 each, so super affordable. I have some latex gloves. Bleach is very powerful and it can really ruin your skin, so make sure to protect it. I have a brush here, which we might use, but the main part of this is the pointy part to section away our hair. This is the powder and the developer mixed. Although it is blue, it will not turn your hair blue. If you have really dark brown hair, it will probably turn your hair orange, but if you already have blonde hair, there's a good chance it will lift it enough so that you can tone it with purple shampoo and pray this all works out. I was actually gonna go darker during this whole lockdown thing because I was like, oh, that's pretty easy to do. You can't really mess this up. But TikTok took over and I saw everyone with that really cute, like, bright front section. And I was like, well, my hair is already pretty blonde. I feel like I can't mess it up. Also, I forgot to mention in your must-haves, wear a shirt that you don't mind getting a little bit of bleach on. This is Patty's nightie shirt. Don't ask. I'm gonna just brush out all my hair so I know exactly what I'm gonna do. My roots are super dark. That's my regrowth of what's coming in. So we're gonna make this area super blonde again, bringing it all the way down. And then I might get crazy and just put some blonde bits on the end too, because, well, why not just go all the way? I'm gonna take like an inch back maybe. Ooh, I already feel like I'm gonna regret that. As you can see, my hair is super thin right here. That's what happens when you have a baby. And then the same on this side. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna be like pure orange and this is gonna be white, which is a possibility. The rest of my hair, I'm gonna put it back in a ponytail. So we have the pieces that we're gonna go ahead and lighten. I have my latex gloves. These came with like a tanning lotion I had, so don't ask where to get them. I don't know where you'd get some, but I think they're pretty crucial whenever you're using bleach on your hair. I also don't have one of those like brushes that you can use to brush on the bleach, so I kind of need these to apply it anyways. Gloves are on. I've mixed my powder and developer together. I'm kind of nervous now. I'm not like telling you to do this either. This is like literally do at your own risk. Okay, I'm gonna come a little bit closer so then you guys can be a part of the process here. I'm gonna leave this front section away. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay. Just gonna keep it closer at the root. Maybe I should have used tin foil. It's already getting all over my face. That was a good move, Elanna. I feel like a brush would be so much easier. That looks okay. Now we're gonna do the front section here. Again, like I mentioned, I'm only gonna go like right here-ish, just until it brightens up, and then I can put some on the ends. I really wanna make sure it soaks through to the other side, or else only half of your hair is gonna bleach. I always notice too, hairdressers like never actually go like right to the root. It's like just before. Okay, that's one side done, and a cheek. A little bit on my cheek, that's okay. Oh, I feel like I need to look in an actual mirror. Hold up. I feel good about that. We'll see if it looks that good at the end. Okay, let's just do the other side. I feel like hairdressers are gonna be so busy whenever lockdown is lifted from all the hair mishaps that we did. Has anyone else done a little bit something adventurous with their hair? So let me know in the comments down below. Really don't know what I'm doing, and of course I pick the front of my head to do. But like, it looks really cute on TikTok with the girls that have it, so maybe they're just cute. Alright, that is it. This side is already lifting. Like, my hair lifts so quickly. That was literally 5 minutes, so I need to keep an eye on that. But I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to put a little bit on the bottoms of my hair just to brighten it up a little bit. And I did see my hairdresser go like this once, where you like brush your hair and then just like tease it. Now I'm really just going for it. I have what am I doing? Surely this can't mess it up, right? This is like what all the good hairdressers do. Okay, I'm just gonna take it in chunks. Literally just tease. Tease, tease, tease. Like, you want to get most of your hair up in the teasing. I'm literally taking it like this and just painting it on. soap water. Okay, it is really lifting up there. At this point, I don't even think I want to like say TikTok influenced me to do this, because if it turns out so bad, I don't want them to get a bad rep from my bad decision of whatever this bottom half of my hair is doing. Although I promise you guys, hairdressers do this, I promise. Anyways, this area I just brought down the bleach a little bit further so that all of my hair is getting bleached now rather than just the front, because that is lifting a lot faster than I expected. I brought it all the way down so that it can work together. Okay, I guess I just wait now. Go by the box that you're using on how long to keep it on, and also it will depend on how dark your hair is. You might have to leave it on a little bit longer, but bleach is so powerful, like you don't want to use the time that they provide, because it can literally take your hair out. Oh my gosh, it can take your hair out. Also, I will mention, I'll put a little picture of what I'm going to use in the shower. I'm going to wash this out. I'm going to be very gentle with I'm going to bring in like a water comb. I'm going to shampoo it with my normal Olaplex Bonding shampoo, which is a good repair shampoo. Then I'm going to use a purple shampoo, my Kevin Murphy, I think it's called Purple Angel or something Angel. Really good. I'm gonna really keep it in the areas that I put the bleach so that it tones it, because purple shampoo will make any yellow disappear, hopefully. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Pray for me. Okay, so the bottom actually turned out really good. So balayage technique, that was a win. It's looking good, it's looking good, it's looking good. Oops, that's where we messed up. It was at the top. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go in with some more bleach, literally just an inch though. But like, we were cut off there. Okay, I've done a second round of bleach. Everywhere else, like the bottoms of my hair, they look grand, like they look great. Sorry, my eyes are like burning because I did not blink once doing that little application. I'm really hoping my hair doesn't fall out, but I'm keeping an eye on it because I know it will lift quickly, because obviously it wasn't this color, it was like a light yellow, so I didn't want to do down here because the hair is so delicate and like whatever, it will fade. So this was just so prominent right here. I'm gonna go wash this off and then we'll be back. Okay, this is it washed out. I feel like Storm from, what's the show called? I like it. It's better than what I expected. I'm really surprised with like the balayage, guys. I think that was like the win-win of it. I feel like if I style my hair, I just let it air dry / blow dry, like tousled it, because I didn't want to put too much heat on because that was a lot of bleach going on my hair. So I'm gonna give it a rest. I'm gonna just bathe it in oil, and then I'll like style it in the morning, because this literally took me 2 hours on and off because I was so slow with it. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, joking. I can't. I've been looking at my hair nonstop, as you do whenever you get it done nicely. Like, look how cute it looks whenever I cut off the top front part of my head. Like the balayage bottoms, seamless. That technique was class. So good, it worked out amazing. And then we go to the top of my head. Guys, no, it's not for me. This life's not for me. So thankfully Patty really needed milk for his tea, which is an essential, right? Well, he had to get some other things too. So I was like, can you go get me a root touch-up? Like a dark ashy brown or blonde. So I'm gonna try and like smudge it in here, and so that this can like be continued to this, you know? So it's like back like that. And it was Rogue, not Storm. Patty corrected me after. All right, Patty is home. This is the dye that we got, the 7.1 Natural Dark Ash Blonde. I literally was on the phone with my hairdresser and she said, whenever you're getting a box dye, it always is darker than the shade they say. So this is probably more like a 6. This is the bad boy we're gonna use. Welcome to my bathroom. Sorry if it's a bit echoey, but it's gonna have to do because it's dark outside and I can't see anywhere else. I literally just wanna like go right here. I wanna keep all this blonde goodness, and it's also like really blonde, so I don't know if it would turn green. There's a possibility this could go green. I'm literally using a makeup brush because I don't have any latex gloves. Honestly, I'm just gonna go for it. Like, there's really nothing else I can do. I'm just gonna go in small motions, really making sure I'm keeping this at the roots. I'm like telling you as if like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just gonna bring it down like this. It's like already darkening it. That's a good sign. Like, I think it's kind of working, although here is a bit questionable because here is taking to it, but right here isn't. Like, it's okay if it's still brighter in the front of my face, like if my roots aren't gonna be like the exact same shade, because like the sun naturally hits the front of your face anyways. So, okay. I'm gonna step away from the dye, let it do its thing. I'm feeling good though. Okay, now I'll see you in the morning with the final update. Okay, this is the final effect. So obviously we still have like 2 stripes, but that dye last night severely helped us. Like, it was bright, yellowy, weird, creamy white color, so it definitely dyed it down a lot more. And then literally within 2 weeks, like, my root's gonna come through anyways, so I'm really actually happy with how that turned out. It was a disaster for a moment, but I'm okay with the two stripe look. See, like, my roots are darker, but it's nice and bright at the front of my face. So thanks for taking this emotional journey with me. Don't do this at home. Also, I want to say I am not a hairdresser. I should have disclaimed that at like the very first clip of this video, but we all get into some sticky situations and you guys just were witnesses to mine, so hopefully you enjoyed. Thankfully it kind of fixed itself, but we just need time to do the rest. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay home, stay safe, don't dye your hair. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.